Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh will undertake an aerial survey of flood-affected areas in Jammu and Kashmir to assess the flood-related damages. The state is facing incessant rain since past 5 days that resulted into a flash flood. The death toll has risen to 120 following the death of 14 people in the landslide. More than 14 bodies have been recovered, many more are feared trapped. More than 2,000 maroon people have been rescued by the security forces. According to Met Office, the sky will become clear from Sunday.